Welcome back to my channel, Liya's Journal. Today I'm going to share a very special chocolate cake recipe with less ingredients. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first we need the main ingredient, chocolate biscuits, 3 eggs, some cocoa powder, it's optional, a pinch of salt, sugar, baking soda. Crush the cookies into fine powder. To this add half teaspoon of baking soda and give it a good mix. Moving forward, break the eggs one by one. Add sugar to it, a pinch of salt, give it a good blend. Well to form a creme batter. To this add the biscuit mixture. For softer cakes, a slight blend is enough. Into a pan, add some butter. Pour the mixture in the heated pan and let it bake in low flame. I have baked it for 10 minutes. Check whether it's completely baked using a stick like this. Mine is completely baked. The cake is ready here. You can just have it like this. It's delicious. But I'm gonna prepare some ganache. For the ganache we need half a cup of icing powder, half a cup of milk, some butter, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix it well with the icing powder. We also need a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Here I am using the double boiler method. For more info, please check the description below. In the bowl, add some butter. After it's completely melted, add the milk. Now let's add the cocoa powder and give it a good mix. Add the sugar mixture and give it a nice stir until it becomes thick. It would take about 5 minutes in low flame. Turn off the flame at this consistency. To this add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and give it a nice fold. The chocolate ganache topping is ready. And the most awaited part is here. Let's pour the ganache into the cake. see the texture. It's super soft, chocolatey and yum. Let me know your views about this video in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know the drill.